Toyota Hilux 2016 to 2023 model. So, ang face nito is kaparehas nung stock ni Hilux Conquest 2022 to 2023 model. So, unahin natin pakita yung kanyang sequence kapag nag-open kayo ng running lights at park light. Yan. So, may sequence po yan. Yan. Running lights at park light. Ngayon, pakita natin si signal light at hazard. Ayan po yan. So, sabay. So, signal light. So, hindi po nag-hyper flash lahat ng mga smoke LED natin. Okay. So, brake light. Ayan po. At yung reverse light. Ayan, sa ilalim. Pakita ulit natin yung ating running lights at or park light. Pag nag-open, may sequence po lagi yan. May fading effect po yan. Alright?